Hi, it's Chris Igoe with RE/MAX Direct. Today I'd like to talk to you about closing costs. Typically, home buyers will pay between 2 and 5% of the purchase price of their home in closing fees. So for example, if your home costs $600,000, you might pay between $12,000 and $30,000 in closing costs. Your lender will give you a loan estimate for your loan, which will include what the closing costs on your home will be within 3 business days of receiving your completed loan application. But these are just an estimate, and many of the fees listed can change. If they do change, you may receive a revised loan estimate, so there will be no surprises along the way. Often, many of these fees that make up the closing costs are negotiable, and some are completely unnecessary, especially things such as high administrative, mailing, or courier costs charged by your lender. Remember, you can shop around, and you may be able to find other lenders who are willing to offer you a loan with lower fees at closing. At least 3 business days before your closing, the lender should give you a closing disclosure statement which outlines closing fees. Compare this to your loan estimate and ask the lender to explain what each line item on your closing cost is and why it is needed. There are limitations on the number of fees which can increase from the loan estimate to the closing disclosure, so there really shouldn't be any surprise on closing day. If you have any questions about closing costs or anything else, call me, Chris Igoe, 561-516-2442, or check me out on the web at igoerealty.com. Don't leave money on the table. Call me today.